In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to prepare your fried rice that won't get spoiled at home. And if you're preparing fried rice and you don't fry it, that's not fried rice. I'm going to show you another way. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time coming across my channel, my name is Tammy, and you're welcome to my channel. One of the difficult meals to prepare in Africa, in Nigeria, is fried rice, right? So what you need to do is to make sure that you cook your protein. You add your chopped onions, your thyme, your curry powder, or anything you're using to boil your meat at home. You can use any meat or any protein of your choice. So after that, you had your seasoning and you had water, right? So this is habanero pepper. If you don't like pepper, I mean pepper, skip the pepper. So you cook it and yeah, until you love the taste. Yeah. So these are my ingredients: my green peas, carrots, my yellow and green pepper, and my sweet corn. So the next thing you need to do is to add your vegetable in your pan. You add your onions, your curry powder, your thyme. You see that I'm adding all this stuff little by little. I'm not going to add everything at once, right? So then you fry your carrots. I've seen that many people are just boiling the ingredient. They just boil the carrots, the green beans. Although everybody have different tastes, you get, so but I love to fry mine. So yeah, you can boil it if you love it, but I love to fry mine. So after 30 minutes, I'm going to add my seasoning, my Maggi, my salt, my curry powder, and a little bit of pepper. Yeah, you'll be like, I like pepper. Without pepper in fried rice, I really don't know how good it tastes. You don't like all this pepper stuff, just add your your black pepper, then you're good to go, right? So I'm going to stir everything together, and then I'll let it cook for about 5 minutes. And this is what I have after 5 minutes. So I'm going to add my sweet corn and my fried chopped gizzard, right? So without gizzard or sweet corn, it's not going to give that fried rice taste. I think so, yeah. So the next step I'm going to do is to get this stuff ready. This is where I'm going to show you guys another way entirely how to make a fried rice. Yeah, so you had your vegetable here in your pan, then you had your chopped onions, you stir fry it a little bit, then you had your habanero pepper. Yeah, this is just 3 pieces of habanero pepper. At the end of this food, my fried rice is not that pepper at all, because I know that the pepper I'm using is not that pepper, it's not that spicy, you get. So I'm going to add my thyme and I'm going to add my curry powder. With this recipe, if you can make your fried rice this way, oh my goodness, everywhere will be smelling so nice. Like everywhere will be like, oh, who is cooking? What is that? What smell is that? Because this combination is fire, right? So I'm going to stir fry it and I'm going to be adding my washed rice little by little. So that all the ingredients is going to enter inside my rice. Like this recipe is everything. I really love this recipe. I love the outcome. I love the taste. Everywhere was so, oh God, you know, when you are cooking and someone enter your house, it's like, oh, what is that? Who is cooking? What scent is that? When you are cooking, just make sure that you are tasting your food so that you have so much of stuff. So this is my salt, and I'm going to add my seasoning and my curry powder. When you are preparing fried rice, you surely need enough of curry powder. Yeah, that's what's going to give you another color. Yeah. So this is my water, and you can add your stock meat. Yeah, the water used to cook your protein, you can add it now. Then let it cook. After your rice is well cooked, not one thing you guys will not try to make mistake about is that letting your rice overcook. No, you don't need to. You don't need your rice to overcook when you're preparing fried rice. Because if you let it overcook, it's going to be going together. It won't give you that scatter fried rice you really want. So this is my cooked ingredients: my green pepper, yellow pepper, carrot, all the ingredients we cooked before earlier. So this is it. I'm going to turn everything together. Normally you can just add your vegetable in your pan, then you'll be adding your ingredients little by little with your rice. But I think, or I know that this way is so easy and fast to prepare fried rice. So the next thing for us is to do the fried in the rice. Fried rice simply means fry the rice, not only cook the rice, but you have to fry the rice. There's why many people don't like to be cook fried rice, because it's so stressful. So I'm going to go on and continue frying my fried rice. And yeah, I'll get everything ready. Let me know in the comment section we are going to prepare fried rice this way. Do you love to fry your fried rice or you just love to cook your fried rice without frying it? And let me know how it tastes in the comment section. Yeah, I'll be going to the comment section to see the article. So the next thing I'm trying to do is just get everything fried ASAP. Like seriously, it can be so stressful, but once you cook it, it's going to get come out good for you guys. Yeah. So happy Easter once again. Let me know what you are cooking, what you are preparing for Easter. What have you prepared? What are you going to prepare? And yeah, so this is the outcome of my fried rice. Look at the fried everywhere, as in everything adjusting their place, nothing's coming together, everything come out nice. As I finished preparing the food, they were waiting for me to just dish it out. And this is the remaining fried rice. All right, let me know if you're going to prepare this next time. And I think I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Stay well, stay tuned. And don't forget to love yourself. May the reason why our Lord Jesus Christ may be fulfilled in our life. And happy Easter. Hope you enjoy yourself. And I'm going to see you guys. Bye.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.